Ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ya muthi wa aruti a wira mweri muhituku igii nyongerera ya micara na gicunji gia 12 harĩ igana kuri aruti a wira niyo icũngĩrĩirie kiama kia andikani thiini wa urimi kuruta mawoni mao.
There is a compelling case to review the minimum wages so as to cushion our workers against further erosion of their purchasing power, while also guaranteeing the competitiveness of our economy. And in that context, I today declare an increase of the minimum wage by 12 percentage points.
Kiama giki kiugite andikani matiakuruhanirio hindi ya gukinyaniria matua macio riu makiruta Mukaana wa kunyihia namba ya aruti a wira niguo mahote kuriha micara iria yendekithitio.
This was the wrong timing to give a salary increment at the time when you're trying to sustain employment. Most of the employers, if you realized, actually managed to keep employees in employment despite the fact that they were not able to get any returns during the period of COVID-19.
Kiama giki kiugite kurumirira kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturire andikani urimi-ini matire na uhoti wa kuongerera micara no ningi korwo thirikari no itikire kuguithia thogora wa fertilizer undu umwe na wa thitima micara iyo no yambatire.
Employers in the flour industry, we have a challenge with the market. The market is quite depressed at the moment, and of course, as you know, a number of our market destination included Russia and Ukraine itself.
Atongoria ya maritie hindi ya gutwara uteithio kuri ciana cia ndigwa kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria mahotete kungania kigina kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 3.
Challenges we have are anything that affects society will affect us even at a higher scale.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.